Hello, this is Darren from Noxinfluencer. Let's see how to get your YouTube sponsorship. The first is log in as an influencer. Did you see that? There are hundreds of sponsorships. Step 2. Apply to the sponsorship that you are interested in. And then set a quotation and make a short introduction to the brand. Step 4. If your YouTube channel is very famous, don't forget to check the invitation tab. Some brands may have invited you. Well, before the cooperation, please finish the settings first. It will help you get more invitations and withdraw money as soon as possible. Tips for you: if you worked with the brand before, you can share your video here and then set your quotation. Next, enter your payment information. Take note that please make sure all your details are right. Now you can start your YouTube sponsorship business. Okay, let's come back to the communication. Confirm the details. You need to know what you need to do, right? Awaiting the payment from the brand. After get the notification, just press F5 to check the money. Okay, you can see that. Awesome, then you can create content. After publish the content, the money will send to your account. Upload your video link here. When you finish creating content, just upload the unlisted link and wait for the preview. Let's see what will brand do during the review. They will watch the content on YouTube and check the content. Congratulations, your first cooperation completed. Before you withdraw the money, I suggest that don't forget to say something to the brand. You may get long-time cooperation with them. Thanks for watching. I hope this video can help you well.